tonight. A deadly accident on a film set. Actor Alec Baldwin was using a prop gun while filming a Western when something went terribly wrong.
Well, we're told that he shot two of his crew members. One of them is dead. The other is in a hospital tonight.
Our Tom Wade is live in our newsroom with the late-breaking news out of New Mexico tonight. Tom?
Hi there, Jeff and Susie. Well, this news is frankly shocking. The sheriff in Santa Fe, New Mexico, has just confirmed that Alec Baldwin fired the shot that killed the movie's director of photography and wounded the movie's director. This is a photo of Baldwin was taken earlier today on the set of his film Rust. The 68-year-old posted this photo on Instagram shortly before the tragedy unfolded. And tonight, that movie set in New Mexico is now roped off as a crime scene. You see it there on your screen. In a statement issued late this evening, the Santa Fe County Sheriff said a prop gun Alec Baldwin was holding went off today, wounding two people. 42-year-old Hala Hutchins, the movie's director of photography, was airlifted to a hospital where she died from her wound. The American Society of Cinematographers named her a rising star in the industry in 2019. 48-year-old Joel Souza, the movie's writer and director, was taken to a hospital by ambulance and is still being treated for his wound. What we don't yet know, and what investigators will look into, is whether the prop gun went off by accident, whether it was misfired, malfunctioned, and whether Alec Baldwin realized the danger that the gun posed. Tonight, I spoke with a retired California police officer and veteran movie weapons prop expert, he's done this for decades, about how this tragedy could have happened. Here's what he told me.
If someone actually put a live round in there, number one, that shouldn't have been on the set. And number two, they should have visually inspected the gun first with a pencil down the barrel and a flashlight to make sure there's no obstructions in the mechanism. And number three, they need to inspect the round that's going in there. Because it sounds to me, I mean, if someone actually got killed, which they did, that would have to be a live round of ammunition.
And sadly, this is not the first Hollywood tragedy involving a prop gun. In 1993, Bruce Lee's son, Brandon, died while filming of The Crow after he was shot with a prop gun that was not loaded correctly. And in 1984, actor John Eric Hexum died after shooting himself in the head with a prop gun. Investigators later concluded Hexum didn't realize the blanks loaded in the gun could be dangerous when fired at close range. Alec Baldwin has not yet issued a statement on the shooting, and his reps are not commenting yet. Of course, we'll continue to follow this story. Live in the newsroom, I'm Tom Wade. Jeff and Susie, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Tom.